Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the glove box. The cabin air filter sits behind the glove box on most Kia Sportage models from 2017 to 2023. Empty the glove box, remove any dampener arm on the right, and release the two side stoppers by squeezing inward so the box drops free. You will need a 10 mm socket and a flat screwdriver for release clips and screws. Expect to spend about 15 minutes to access the filter housing and remove the glove box. With the glove box lowered, locate the rectangular filter cover and push the two plastic tabs to release it. The cover flips down and reveals the pleated filter. Slide the old filter out slowly to avoid spilling debris into the blower area and inspect it for leaves, dust, and black soot to assess cabin air quality. Heavy contamination means replace more often. Protect your hands with gloves, use a soft brush or vacuum to remove loose debris from the housing, and keep the filter orientation arrow visible for reinstallation. Take the new cabin air filter, confirm the airflow arrow printed on the frame, and insert the filter with the arrow pointing down and toward the blower motor. Reseat the cover until both tabs click, lift the glove box back into its hinges, squeeze the side stoppers to lock them, and reattach the dampener arm you removed earlier. Tighten any 10 mm screws snugly, but avoid over-torquing. Test your work by starting the blower on fan 1, checking for steady airflow and no rattle, and note replacement interval as 12 months or 12.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.